right here. This is the new Okay, ladies, this is a how-to DIY video that I'm about to show you. This is my Kohler toilet, and it has been running and running, so I had to take out my canister and I have to replace this gasket. So I'm going to replace this gasket, and then I'm going to reinsert this. If you can try to turn your water off, but my water won't turn off for some reason, so I'm going to replace this gasket and get this in. So first I'm going to scrape off the old gasket, and I have the new gasket right here. This is the new gasket that I'm going to put on here. So let me get the scraping. Okay, I now remove the gasket, the old gasket, and this is what it's looking like. And the reason why it was leaking, because as you can see, there's a little gap right there. If you can see it, gap right there. That's why the toilet kept leaking. Well, it kept running. The water kept running because of that tear in the gasket. So now I'm going to replace it with the new gasket. Okay, I have replaced it with the new gasket. And now I'm going to reinstall it. My lighting is pretty bad, but I gotta put it back down in there. I want to drop my phone. I don't know if you could see that, and I'm gonna drop it back into the hole that's down there. Oh, my thing just came off. Okay, guys, so I got it on. So the gasket is on. Let's see. Toilet flushes. So I'm just gonna reinstall this hose into this right here. Okay, got the hose on. And let's see if the toilet fills up and it doesn't leak. So the water is filling up. That hose right here came loose and water was squirting everywhere. So make sure that's on good and tight. Oh, okay, it filled up. Let's see. I don't hear any water leaking, because what it was draining, constantly draining and then refilling up. So looking at the water level to see if the water level goes down any. Okay, it doesn't look like it. And that, ladies and gents, if you're watching, is how you replaced the little gasket on the canister Kohler toilet. Thanks for watching my video, guys.